Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: your hosting account, Cpanel username, and password, because without them you cannot authenticate. Once done, choose the correct address: server IP with port 2083, domain/cpanel, or a provider link. This determines whether you get a secure TLS session. Make sure to use a modern browser and confirm TLS/SSL. This protects credentials in transit. If you have multi-factor authentication, prepare your device. Now enter the URL and press enter to reach the Cpanel. You now input credentials. Type the username exactly and paste or type the password, using the show toggle to check for typos. This reduces lockouts. Once entered, consider authentication options. Enable one-time 2FA codes if available, or use single sign-on provided by your host. If a security token is required, fetch it from an authenticator app. Then click Login. The server validates credentials and assigns your session. If loading is slow, wait a few seconds, as Cpanel may be initializing services for your account. Once authenticated, you should see the Cpanel dashboard. Verify your account name and hosting plan so you know you're in the right place. Make sure important services like email, files, and domains list correctly. This confirms permissions. When finished, sign out and clear saved credentials on public machines. If login fails, first try an incognito window to rule out extensions, then reset the password through your hosting control interface or contact support. Finally, check for IP blocks or rate limits and request a temporary lift if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.